Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you've had an awesome day. For those of you that are on my channel for the very first time, I want to say a very warm welcome to you. And as usual, for those of you that are already following me and have already subscribed, I want to say thank you so much. You know, you guys are great, and welcome back. So we are into day 13 of my 3K in 31 days challenge, and in this short video I just want to give you a little update, a little progress report of where I am right now. So for those of you that are already following me will know that I am basically using various different techniques in order to help me generate income online, and my most recent project is putting together a Shopify store. So I am happy to announce that my Shopify store is now up and running. It's taken me, in all honesty, about 2 days. So yeah, it took a bit more time than I expected, but it is up and running now. And I guess the challenge for me now is that, you know, I've got my store, I've got my items, and I've got the niche that I want to go into. But as with affiliate marketing and with drop shipping, the challenge for me now is, how do I get that in front of the right audience? You know, how do I get people to see my website and start spending money? So, you know, that's where I am with that. I'm just trying to see, you know, what would be the best way to promote my Shopify store. I'm thinking immediately that the methods I'm going to use, which are going to be free, is social media. So that's going to be things like my Instagram and Facebook. So that's what I'm going to use to begin with, just to see, you know, how I get with that and what sort of traction I get. But again, it's very exciting. I was really eager to share that news with you because, like I said, I have never put together a Shopify store. I've learned so much along the way, and I now know how to put one together. So it's been great, and I'm really hoping that, you know, it's going to generate some passive income. So I'm gonna leave it there, guys. I just wanted to make it quite short and sweet for you. But if you did like this video and you got massive value from it, then please do hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're already familiar with putting together a Shopify store, why don't you hit a comment down below? Tell me how you guys are doing. Tell me if there are any golden nuggets that I could use to help promote my store. Or for those of you that have just started out, you know, is there anything that I can help you with? Like I said, you know, it's the first time I've put together a Shopify store, but I'll be more than happy to help anyone that reaches out to me and wants to know how to get started. So yeah, so guys, if you want to keep an eye on my journey and you want to know as and when I upload videos, make sure you hit that bell icon, that special notifications button, yeah, so you'll get to know exactly when I do that, as and when it happens. I got a little tongue tied there. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you continue to have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Stay blessed.